Hi, I wanted to share a hack I found while playing Rune Factory 5. I was originally struggling with leveling up cooking, but I came across this quick and easy way to level up at least cooking, crafting, forging, and chemistry. This hack works best for levels 1 through 15, but it can work past that, but it's much slower. For all these ingredients, the more you have in storage, the faster leveling is. For cooking, you'll need a failed dish. For chemistry, you'll need Object X. And for crafting and forging, you'll need scrap metal. Scrap metal also works with chemistry if you don't have Object X. So for this hack, you'll need RP. Not gonna lie, this will eat up your RP. So this hack is more for when you're about to go to sleep but still have some leftover RP. For this first example, I will use scrap metal at the forge. So first you'll need to head over and get your scrap metal. I'm just going to take my 9, but I also have much more in my storage, so keep that in mind for later. Next, go over to your table. So for this, I'm going to say make a weapon, and just for ease, I'm going to pick short sword, and then I'm going to go down to broadsword, since this weapon only requires one item to make. So when you start, it automatically fills it with whatever item you might have in your storage that will work with that weapon. In this case, it's copper. We just move that copper out and switch it with the scrap metal we have. Keep a note of the forging percentage. We are going to craft this one scrap metal. Once you craft it, of course it will fail, but you will still have your scrap metal and you will still gain experience from it. You are able to do this hack in bulk too. Just note that it will use the scrap metal that's on you and in your storage. Every time you do this hack, you have a very low percentage of getting scrap metal plus. This is one lower money value than the normal scrap metal. So you see I have 8 now, and I'm going to bulk craft past 8 to 33, which is all I have altogether. And I craft that and get all the experience, and now all 33 are in my pocket because it failed. We'll do a similar process with the crafting table. So we'll make armor. This shirt is fine. Same process. I would also recommend doing a test if you want to try this with more things. And the process is the same for cooking and chemistry. So you're using Project X as your scrap metal, and you're also using the failed dish as your scrap metal. And like I said, if you don't have Object X yet, you can still use your scrap metal in place of it to get Object X. It does give less experience in a successful forge, and you don't have the added benefit of selling that product and making money, but while you're leveling 1 through 15, you're not using any materials, or at the very least, very minimal materials. You're saving your materials for the real grind. Have a good day and happy farming!